Hello everyone, my name is Yakshika Bhatt. I am from Oxford Academy and my sir is Hemang Bhatt. Today my topic is railway. The Indian Railway is the biggest undertaking, it's largest in Asia and second largest in world. 31st March 2017 is considered total 63327 kilometers over all are controlled the responsibility of, and railway has been delegated to Railway Board in 1905 under supervision of Cabinet Minister. The whole consists of chairman who is principal of Secretary of Government and Minister of Railway Secretaries, and to show that members are government in Minister Railways. Railway Zone. Before 1947 there were 37 railway systems in country with the view of ensuring economics and operation efficiency, which are the railway has 16 zones, headquarters also. Southern Railway Chennai, Western Railway Mumbai, Central Mumbai, Northern Railway New Delhi, Eastern Railway Kolkata, Southern Eastern Railway Kolkata, North Eastern Gorakhpur, South Central Secunderabad, Maligaon East Control Allahabad, North East Central Hajipur, Bhubaneswar North Central, North Western Jaipur, South Eastern Canal Bilaspur, South Western Hubli, West Canal Jabalpur. Each zone functions under General Manager. Railway gauge. Indian Railway operate total meters of gauge. Broad gauge on 1.676 meters, 1000 to 0.762 meters, but meters, and now narrow gauge. Now it is less in 0.610 meters.